Good morning, everybody. Welcome back finally to my YouTube channel. I have been so busy with school and vacations. I'm currently in Indonesia right now, in Puncak Pass. Sorry this is so late. Blanca and I actually went on this trip in like April. And my intro video totally got interrupted because I literally got leeched here in Indonesia in my neck. So we had to go take care of that. But basically, I'm back on the grind now, so there's a lot more content coming. Stay tuned for more, and I hope you enjoy. This is kind of weird, huh? Having to do like official business while we're stealth camping. Yeah. I'm gonna have to talk to rangers. Good evening, officer.
Information for you.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's been told to you, but you can't get through all the way because the hill has slid down onto the trail.
Oh, did it?
You can only get to the sign-in panel. After that, it's blocked off.
Does it go to, so it doesn't go to the waterfalls?
You can't get to it. And if going off the trail, that's at your own risk. If you do that, if you go off the trail,
oh yeah,
it's all poison oak.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, you guys enjoy. Have a good one.
That just makes it even more exciting, honestly.
Yeah.
Trail's closed. Let's get on the real trail. You're already tired.
I'm always tired, dude. I yawn so much that I just like am constantly crying. So like every video shot of me is just gonna be like it's gonna be really flattering. Way too out of shape. I did like 7 minutes of exercise.
Alright, car, be safe tonight, okay? Don't be getting no tickets or anything. Wow, this is just nothing but uphill.
You're gonna die.
Well, that took some finessing, but we found dinner.
Oh my god.
The wings.
Strike a pose.
Okay, we gotta make sure not to sign in so that they don't follow us. Oh no, whatever shall we do? Oh, yeah, that's poison oak. Alright, first of the day. Sweet. We're tired. If there's one thing in this world that Blanca and I love, it's definitely the cliff blocks.
Found a lizard tail.
Gross.
Yeah, it feels pretty dead.
Let's go, Blanca, you got this. Blanca, you want to tell the people what just happened?
I just found a tick on my leg.
Oh, not the tick.
Oh. Yeah, I just walked like 3 miles to get some water because it says in the sign that there's like water, but then it was like a short ways down is what the book said. I walked for like 20 minutes.
It was way longer, yeah.
And then there was this little pitiful water spring, and it's not even treated water. So they're like, oh, you have to boil this or else you're gonna die. That's what the sign said. And it's like, untreated water will cause serious illness or death.
I feel like this keeps on happening. Every time we think we make it to the top, there's just more mountains.
Yeah.
Alright, so we hear some water. It's an exciting sign. That's so cool, Blanca! Yo! We need to drop our bags. Oh, yes!
Is that for me?
Make a wish. Pull on it, ready?
Oh. I f***ing hate you. You're the worst.
It worked so well.
Yeah.
This is such an intense hike. We were just talking about how this is the hardest one that we've done. Harder than New Zealand and harder than Alamir. But it'll be worth it when we get there.
I wish I was a little more delicate.
pond. I'm not sold on this place yet, so I'm gonna look around.
Okay, I'm gonna wait here.
Holy moose, look at all the cow. Johnny's Pond is so cool. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna take a dip. Are you swimming tomorrow?
Fuck no.
What?
That thing is gross.
No, it's not, Blanca. It's really not. Alright, man, let's eat. I'm hungry. I also have to pee. Also, Johnny's Pond is beautiful, and we should totally swim in it tomorrow. Dude,
Johnny's Pond is literally cow shit.
it's not. You're wrong.
Fuck.
I'm gonna have to bleep out so many of your curse words. You're gonna make editing a biatch.
Just keep it all in. It's authentic.
Oh, that's so bright. Okay, so we're about to go to bed. My legs are so tired, so I will pass out really fast. And Blanca just passes out really fast regardless. So, yeah, it's gonna be a fun night. I will see you tomorrow in the morning. Hey, Blanca, hold the light on me real quick. Okay. Wait, get your face in there.
I don't know. I'm probably in there.
You're probably in there?
I probably look like shit too.
Okay, everybody, have a good night.
Good night.
Good morning, everybody. It was so windy last night. You sore?
Hell yeah, I'm sore.
So we're gonna pack up camp now, and then we're gonna go hike to Murietta Falls and eat breakfast there. I'll see ya. So we finally made it. This is the backside of the falls right here. Whoa, Blanca, come on.
Here, in my place and time, and here in my own skin, I can finally begin. Let the century pass me by, standing under the night sky. Tomorrow means nothing.
Whoa.
David is setting up a nice, nutritious breakfast right on the falls. It's pretty fucking steep. It's a really nice spot. Like, it was such a hard hike.
Yeah. Dude, it's so worth it though. Like, this is insane.
Dying star, the memories fading. I can almost remember seeing the light, the light, the light, the light.
Hey, Blanca, you gonna swim or not?
No,
Yes, you are. Come on.
I'm not gonna swim.
You wanna
I
swim.
really don't want to swim.
Blanca,
Don't.
you gotta swim with me, man.
I can watch you swim.
No, you gotta be in there with
I
me.
really can't. It's so gross.
It's not gross.
It's disgusting.
Gotta swim
I
with
can't.
me.
No.
Look how beautiful this is. You gotta swim, Blanca.
I know. Look at that. Look at that shit.
It's called algae. It's fine.
I'm not gonna swim in that. It's disgusting.
You gonna swim, Blanca?
No. I can't look at this. That's
Right there.
disgusting. There's probably like a monster.
Blanca, you gotta do it.
No!
For the squad.
Literally any sane person is not going to swim in this
For
pond.
the video. For the clip.
I don't care about the video.
It's
I'm
gonna
not,
go down in history.
I cannot. No, I'm gonna get a disease if I go in there.
Oh my god. It's getting pretty choppy out here, so we're going. It's really rainy and windy. We're gonna go get milkshakes out. Blanca's buying because she babied out of swimming. Didn't you pack swim trunks and a towel?
I did, because
Pointless.
I thought that it would be like a nice place to swim.
And it was. No regrets.
I have no regrets on my part.
So we're hiking out and the rain feels awesome. Look at this mud. Alright y'all, we're coming up on the home stretch. Blanca, how you feeling?
Very fucking bad.
Tired.
I'm good. I'm tired. There it is.
Oh yes.
Yes!
Okay. So we just made it to the parking lot and Blanca was scared that her car would be gone, but it's here. The real test is though if there's if there's a ticket. Because last time we went to Alamir, we did have a ticket of $120.
I don't remember.
It was something like that.
Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking die. I'm gonna run to the car.
Yeah, Blanca's finished. I say no. No. Are we good?
Yes!
Oh no. Oh. So excellent news. The ticket is only $43. Dude, I'm so proud of us.
Oh my god, I'm so tired.
We did it.
I'm so sore.
What? Only $43. Yeah, what an adventure.
Go in this pond all day. Yeah. Come on, go swim. You gotta do it for the video. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Woo! Woo!